Okay, we are going to continue talking about our expository writing. So right now, either in the chat box or unmute yourself. Somebody tell me, can you see my screen?
I don't even know.
Yes,
I don't even.
thumbs up. Awesome. Cool. All right, so we're talking about informative writing, informational writing. Another word that I've been using is explanatory. It's the exact same thing. I'm explaining it to you. So I'm either giving you information or I'm explaining information. Today we're going to talk about fact versus opinion. So our objective today is the same it's been all week. Students will be able to write informative and explanatory texts in which they introduce a topic, use facts and definitions to develop points, and provide a concluding statement or section. Today, your DOL, given 4 questions,
I'm recording a lesson.
I will be able to choose how to complete the sentence to either make it a fact or an opinion. All right, first things first, grab your paper, grab your pencil, and it's time for your first response card. This is kind of an easy one. 2 minutes on the board.
Correct.
You are going to explain what is a fact. Make sure you start with your sentence stem. A fact is, and I know some of you are just going, I don't feel like writing it. I'm just going to type this down.
You can take
They really want
notes,
you to
as many
practice.
as you want.
If you are practicing writing, your hand's going to forget how to make the letters. So please, write it down, and I'm checking on you right now.
You can take more than one if you
And I
want.
see Brianna doing her.
So in each bag,
We are going to explain what
She
is
knows
a
that's my
fact. Where are my cards? What is a fact? Using our sentence stem, Destiny. Unmute yourself and explain what is a fact, Destiny.
Oh, I'd start with the flea market for a deal.
It's true.
No other.
A fact is true. I like the way you said it. You're right. A fact is true. Tegan, what did you say, Tegan? What is a fact to you? What do you think a fact is?
Please let us know.
I think a fact is like
Please.
something that was history, and then someone tells you it, like in a museum.
That's the kind of thing that
Okay, so if it's history in a museum, that means
Yeah,
it's
she asked
a
for a
real thing
computer
that you
when she
offer,
came.
right?
To AL, and I said,
So you're right. A
I
fact
said,
is something
look
that is
at
true.
my
It's
computer.
factual information.
she goes, oh, it's an
something
Apple. I said, because
that
it's
I can
mine.
prove
Because
to
I
you.
gave mine to a
We're
teacher.
trying to talk
Because we
about
put our
facts
teachers first.
versus
And I said,
opinion.
you've been telling me
So
that
those
you're
are
an
the two
admin.
different things. When we're writing, we're always going to be using, if I'm writing an informative piece, I'm going to be using facts. So I want to make sure you guys know the difference between a fact and an opinion. So let's watch. No, that's a fact. I can show you. Here's my pizza.
Kate's on there.
Put it in the oven in order to bake it, right? That's
She's
a
on
fact. So an opinion is that pepperoni pizza is delicious. I know that this is an opinion because of
And so the
this word
girl's
right
prepping
here.
right now for her lesson.
Delicious. Some people may think that ham pizza is delicious and pepperoni pizza is gross. So remember, a fact can be proven, an opinion is just somebody's thought. Let's do some practicing, all right? You see my little hand in the bottom of the screen. That means you're going to be showing me your answer on your hand in front of your video camera, okay? So let's look at this.
I
Is
know.
the sentence fact or an opinion? And you're going to hold up your fingers. Fact is 1, opinion is 2. Vegetable pizza is the best kind of pizza. Hold up your answer. Greg, what do you think? Hold it up to the screen. 1 or 2, fact or an opinion? Let's see. Tegan is showing me 2. Tegan thinks it's an opinion. Nathan thinks it's an opinion. Zoomy thinks it's an opinion. Mark, we can't see. Medell says opinion. Medell, I landed on you.
Send them a tutorial.
Unmute yourself and tell me, how did you know that this was an opinion? You are correct. How did you know, Medell?
Because the table pizza is the
What does she
best
got? A minute?
pizza.
So was there a word in there that told you that it was an opinion?
Yes.
Which word?
Pizza.
Not pizza. I'm looking at this word. What's this word right here, Medell?
You know, Mike, you can go in.
Best. If somebody
You can go
says it's
into
the
your
best,
email and
that's
schedule
my
a
opinion,
delayed
right? You
send,
could think
and
it's
that
the
way you don't
worst.
have to waste
All right, guys,
people's
let's try
time.
another
She
one.
got the email
Hold
at
up your
12:40.
finger
You
for
go on
one
at
for
1
fact
o'clock
or
and you
two
go.
for
That's
opinion.
how we roll here at C3.
Houses are
Automatic
usually
send
made of
20
brick
minutes
or
before the
stone.
Zoom
So
starts,
is that
and
a
then when the
fact
Zoom's
or
like when
an
you're on.
opinion? Show me your answer. What do
Why are
you
you doing
think?
it now?
Is
You're
that a
wasting
fact
people's
opinion?
time.
Maya says 1. Who else is showing me? Adriana says 1. Easton says 1.